3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Looks like 26, but I'm sure I missed some somewhere. There they go. My water bottle is not a normal soft drink kind of bottle. It's an actual water bottle, and it doesn't screw into the bottom of the Sawyer. So I have my dip tube, and we'll try to get some water like that. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to boil it. Haven't got any yet. Whew. I need water, but I don't need it hot. The plan was to put it on the bottom of the Sawyer and turn it upside down and squeeze it, and that would push it through, but for whatever reason, this is not working. Huh. Alright, I got it to the top of the filter. Yeah, that is not working. Nope, this must be blocked somehow. Some water's in there. Alright, we're going to boil it. What I can't do is start this early because I'm using fuel tabs, and fuel tabs are going to burn up, pretty fast. But what I have seen with the fuel tabs is that there's a way to put this together that gives it a little bit of a windbreak. Got some cattail in there. And one more. Little fella. Whoop. No meal, no salt, no pepper, just some cattail. Now, I do have some seasoning, and it's something we call Mikey sauce around the house. And it's a mix of different types of marinades. And I'm getting ready to put some of that right in there. Right here. You can make that yourself if you wanted to. So, well, what's in it, stupid? Well, if you like soy sauce, if you like Worcestershire, if you like teriyaki, put all that in equal parts, and then 2 parts of maple syrup, and you got Mikey sauce. And I'm telling you, it is the best thing ever. Look at that. Oh, that's good. We don't want it to burn. Okay, so The next thing is the water. Now these are the bluets I talked about in an earlier video. And they're supposed to burn for 15 minutes, not 5 like I said, you know. I didn't know what I was talking about. I guess it's bon appetit. Get my pan, put it up here. God, that tastes good. Cattail. Flavor's good. But it's overcooked. There's a good piece. Okay. Now this was a river perch. And when I was growing up, my folks told me not to eat them, that they were trash fish. It wasn't until I was grown, when I was, looking into different kinds of fish, trying to learn a little bit more about it, I found out that in different parts of the Americas, they eat these things all the time. Get that right in the Mikey sauce. Cattail. I've only eaten cattail once or twice. You can eat it raw. It's recommended that you cook it, but just brown it. Not like I did. I just soaked it in this stuff and let it way overcooked. What I needed was another plate to lay this out on and let it cool, and then I could pull the bones, the backbone out and all that stuff. I didn't do that as I don't have it. So I'm just going to eat out of the pan. Good Lord, I'll fix fish like this at home. If I knew it was that good. Oh, I should have been using that sauce a long time ago. I thought it was just good for steak and pork. It's great on fish as well. Okay, so here's the little backbone of the itty bitty fish. See if I can get any of it off. All bone. No, but just a little bit. It's really good. See, with your fingers, you can feel it. You can feel the bones. Last piece of fish. Maybe not. It's really good. What I did get was this water to come up to a nice hard steam. Okay, we're sort of cleaned up here. What I wanted you to hear was those chorus of frogs that are now starting. They're just getting going. And this is going to get really, really loud here in a bit, I'm pretty sure. We'll close this up. So I won't stink up the rest of my bag. That is some good sauce, I'm telling you. If you make that up, you won't be disappointed. Well, thanks for being with me today. This is Mike B from Mike's Wild World. I'm just out and about, having a good time in the park and taking a look at all the sights. Check out the tiny shop and some of the other videos. If you like, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button and the notifier, whatever. And y'all know more about that stuff than I do. So I'll see you next time, okay?